Welcome to what is hopefully the last day of me working on this Miata to get it fully fixed. We have a little bit of things left. Actually, it probably isn't the last day, let's be real. There's still the windshield I'm looking at right now that's cracked, but that will be replaced. Right now we need to just fully, not fully, fully remove the bumper, put in the air intake hose, because I totally forgot to put it into place when we were putting the the bumper on last time. Next thing is also replace the airbag in the steering wheel, and also just little things that need to be placed into order on the bumper side where the crash was. There's like a little support that helps the bumper stick to its rightful place. Think we are pretty much done. The car is drivable. We're going to drive this home today to get it to our garage so we can finish working on some other things, such as, well, this door right here, and we're either going to replace it with the parts car that we have, or all the internals put into that one and put it on. And also the wind glass, either we'll do it or have some company come over do it. And now we found out that we have another thing to fix. Let's take a look at it as I was assembling it. Where is it? There it is. Let's line this up like that. There it is. And there we go. The car is on and it's going to be on its way home. We have the side skirts and stuff to bring over. We'll take it all home and fully finish the assembly. The final touches to it. Should be good. The lines have lined up all very well. And the car just looks great. There it is. Okay, there we are. The car is driving, and that is a good thing indeed. It drives, man. Here we have the Miata at home. And look at that, there's the other black one. Here's this one. Very nice. Hopefully, since we're at home now, we can have the production quality go up, and I can start explaining more things more easily, because we're not time gated here like we are at work, because at work there's not enough space and we needed to get the car out of there as quick as possible, so I was doing the content as quick as possible. Thank you for watching. There'll be more soon. This Miata, that Miata, the other two Miatas as well. I will catch you guys another time. See ya.